In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cool RGB picture image photo effect in Pixlr Online completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Go to the top left hand of the screen in Pixlr Online once you have your image loaded, and in this case I have a picture of a seal. And click the fifth option right here, which says Effect, which is below Filter and above Adjust. And then scroll down until you can see and locate the option where it says Artsy. And in this case, you have multiple options to choose from. And in this case, again, you can click Glitch or you can click Frank, you choose. And this is the RGB effect. You can even click right here and drag this to the right or drag this to the left. And as you can see, it adjusts the RGB effect in Pixlr, as you can see. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.